In this video, we are going to learn how to take a short video using your camera feature, just like you did for taking a picture. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and open up the camera. Remember, I pinned mine down here. If you did not pin yours, you do need to go find the camera again and probably pin it to your taskbar. I'm going to click to open it. This button down here on the bottom is to take a picture. That's what we used earlier. And then the one right above it is for taking a video, which is what you are going to do for this next part. What you are going to do is to take the video, you just click on Take Video. It will make a small beeping sound, and then you will see that down here it is counting because it is recording the video that I am making. And over here you will notice that it's a red square basically. Now it's not one that you can cut and paste and put all the parts together, so when you're finished, you just click on the button again. Your video will appear down here at the bottom, and you will go ahead and open it up. There's your video. There are two different things that you can do here depending on what the purpose is. Sometimes you may need to save it so that you can have access to it. So you can go to Save As, and then you can put it into your pictures and just save it as practice, which yours wouldn't be practice, it'd be whatever it is. And then you'd hit Save. The other thing that you can do, depending on what you're using this for, is you can right-click on it, and you can see the copy screen here, and you can click Copy. Then, if you have to drop it into an email that's going to go, you have two options. If you copied it like I did before, you can press Control-V, as in violin, and it's going to paste it. You can also right-click and click Paste. There it is right there. The other thing that you can do is if you go up here to the paperclip looking thing, that's your attached file. So we're going to attach file. If you saved it, and you will see that my practice is right there, which can be helpful if it's a specific assignment. You rarely want to turn something in, especially if it's for a teacher, without your name on it right here. So that is how you take a video with your computer.